Hi everyone, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel to see how I make shrimp quesadillas. So let's get started. So I have about 1 pound of shrimp here, and I'm adding some salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, cayenne pepper, and some taco seasoning. If you don't have this, you can use something like paprika or cumin instead. And now I'm mixing the seasoning onto the shrimp, making sure they're all well coated. I've heated my pan to medium heat and added some olive oil. And now I'm adding the shrimp, and I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until they turn pink. So the shrimp are done, and I'm putting them aside. Now I'm going to cut up 2 scallions. If you don't have scallions, you can just use regular onions instead. This is a half of a yellow pepper, which I love in quesadillas because they give a bit of sweetness to them. Now I'm grating some smoked white cheddar cheese. I never buy grated cheese because it definitely loses flavor while sitting in that bag from the grocery store, and it's much more expensive that way. Look at all the grated cheese I got from that block, so it's well worth it to grate it yourself. I'm going to be using pasta Chipotle, and I like yellow corn and wheat tortilla, but of course any tortilla will do. I've put my cast iron skillet on medium heat, and I'm adding some olive oil to it. And now I'm placing 1 tortilla in the pan, then I'm adding in some of the cheese, spreading some of the Chipotle sauce, adding some shrimp, some peppers, and then some more cheese, and then I'm putting another tortilla on top. I'm using my spatula just to press down gently to melt the cheese to help everything stick together. So after a couple of minutes, I'm going to use my tongs and my spatula to gently flip this on the other side. And then just pressing it down again and letting this cook for about 2 more minutes. I have my cooling rack here, and I'm putting the quesadillas on it so that they don't go soggy. And now I'm going to make some more of these. I'm done making all the quesadillas, and I'm just going to cut them in half. And here they are, delicious shrimp quesadillas. We're having these with some guacamole and salsa on the side. Thanks so much for watching.